In question 6, we have to write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. So any 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 will work as an answer, and that makes this problem super easy to solve. So if you observe the number line, and if you look at the number minus 2, which is this point here, then all integers to the right of minus 2 will be rational numbers that are greater than minus 2, because every integer is a rational number as well. So one simple way to answer this question is to give any 5 integers that are greater than minus 2, because those 5 integers will be rational numbers greater than minus 2. But let's do one thing. Let's pick 2 integers that are greater than minus 2, and let's pick 3 other non-integer rational numbers that are greater than minus 2. So we could pick minus 1 and we could pick 0 as the 2 integers in our answer. So minus 1 and 0 are 2 rational numbers greater than minus 2. And now let's pick 3 non-integer rational numbers. So let's pick the midpoint of minus 1 and 0. This will be minus half. So minus half is a rational number greater than minus 2. Then let's pick the midpoint of 0 and 1. This will be half. So half is another rational number that is greater than minus 2. And let's pick a number between minus 2 and minus 1. So let's divide the interval between minus 2 and minus 1 into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. These markers divide the interval between minus 2 and minus 1 into 5 equal parts. Now let's take this marker, this number. What will this number be? So this will be minus 2, and then you add plus 2 by 5, because this number is 2 multiples of 1 by 5 to the right of minus 2. So this will be minus 10 plus 2 divided by 5, or minus 8 by 5. So we can take minus 8 by 5 as the 5th rational number that is greater than minus 2. So these 5 numbers that we have written, these 5 are 5 rational numbers that are greater than minus 2. Of these 5, 2 are integers, minus 1 and 0, and the remaining 3, minus half, half and minus 8 by 5, these 3 are non-integer rational numbers. So this completes question number 6.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.